Respected teachers and my fellows, अस्सलामु अलैकुम। एक हुए थे तो बना था ये मुल्क, एक हुए थे तो बना था ये मुल्क, एक रहेंगे तो बचेगा ये मुल्क। Pakistan resolution passed in Minto Park of Lahore gave Muslims a rational, reachable and desirable goal. The creation of Pakistan, it sought to release the fire of independence in the hearts of the Muslims, who were all eager to make their contribution in achieving a free Muslim state, Pakistan. That day, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah provided Muslims with a clear-cut and well-defined goal that was understood even by the simplest and most naive of Muslims' minds. हम तो मिट जाएंगे ए अर्ज़े वतन लेकिन, हम तो मिट जाएंगे ए अर्ज़े वतन लेकिन, तुमको ज़िंदा रहना है क़यामत की सहर होने तक. When we look back at 23rd March speech of our Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, we are reminded of the fact that it was this day that the great nation we live in today was created in the minds of our forefathers. Dear fellows, we should remember the spirit, the message of 23rd March 1940 when our forefathers vowed to achieve Pakistan, a separate country for Muslims. Now it becomes our responsibility to be united, center and save Pakistan. Pakistan Paindabad. मेरा वतन मेरी आन मेरी शान, मेरा वतन मेरी आन मेरी शान, मेरा दीन मेरी जान मेरी शान. Thank you very much.